Hello everyone, today's topic is Business Studies Project Marketing Management SOAPs BST Project File Class 11th and 12th. Now, school's name Business Studies Project on Marketing Management Session 2023 to 2024 submitted to teacher's name and then submitted by student's name. Now first page is introduction page. Now name, class, section, roll number, subject and your school's name. Topic Marketing Management SOAPs Certificate. This is to certified that Tanisha Mishra of class 11th has successfully completed this business studies project on the topic marketing management prescribed by Miss Ishani Sharma ma'am during the academic session 2023 to 2024 as per the guidelines issued by the Central Board of Secondary Education CBSE. Now in the last signature of ma'am column, Principal Mrs. Vinita Sharma, Teacher Miss Ishani Sharma. Acknowledgement. I would like to express my special thanks of gratitude to my teacher Miss Ishani Sharma ma'am as well as our principal Mrs. Vinita Sharma ma'am who gave me the golden opportunity to do this wonderful project on the topic marketing management, which also helped me in doing a lot of research and I came to know about so many new things. I am very thankful to them. Marketing Management SOAPs. Now index page, Marketing Management, Marketing Mix, Introduction, SOAPs, Licensing and Permission, SWOT Analysis, Benefits of using SOAPs, why I choose this product, product description, pricing, promotional schemes, competitor brands, competitor analysis, bibliography and then conclusion. Marketing management. Marketing management is a process of decision making, planning and controlling the marketing aspects, setting the goals of a company, organizing the plans step by step, taking decisions for the firm and executing them to get the maximum turnover by meeting consumers' demands. Marketing management is based on product, place, price and promotion to attract consumers, and here are the some pictures for this topic. Now marketing mix. Marketing mix usually refers to set of 4 Ps with product, price, promotion and place. Marketing tools that a firm uses to pursue its marketing objectives in the target market. Product, promotion, price, place. My product Dove soap picture. Introduction. All people want to appear smart and elegant in his personality. Soaps help remove slack from skin to make skin a brilliant glow. The antibacterial soap with a moisturizer added has huge market potential. Soap is a salt of a fatty acid used in a variety of cleansing and lubricating products. Dove soap logo here. Tagline, let's change beauty. Social media to inspire women and young girls, and here are the some pictures of Dove soap. Licensing and permission. In order to start manufacturing a cosmetic product, soap has to obtain a license from the license authority of the state government. The application to be submitted from 31st along with a license fee of rupees 3500 and inspection fee of rupees 1000. Inspection of whole provides where the operations are to be carried out should be done. Inspection appointed under the Pharmacy Act 1948 should carry out the inspection and submit a detailed report to the licensing authority, which will there decide the grant of the license or not. And here are the some pictures. SWOT analysis. Strengths, weakness, opportunities and threats. Strengths. Locality of our factory. Our factory is near the market, which reduces transportation costs. Weakness, lack of marketing expertise, new brand in market, hence customers will not trust us easily. Opportunities, a developing market such as internet and introduction with global market. Threats, as we are new in market, it will be challenging for us to grow between well-known brands. Price war with competitors. Now, benefits of using soaps. High quality soap, affordable prices, Indian product, removes oil and dirt, prevents your skin from dullness, antibacterial, easy to rub, maximum foam with perfume, and here is the picture. Why I choose this product? My product is bathing Dove soap. Soap is the basic necessity of life. It is very mild and creamy. We can easily purchase it from shop or online. We can also store it. It is available in different shapes, sizes, fragrances and prices. And here are the some pictures. My product description. Dove is a hygiene brand owned by the multinational consumer goods company. We provide a good quality product in reasonable prices, and we use eco-friendly, natural and gentle materials to make our product. We try to provide large variety of product as per the consumer's demand, and here are the some pictures. Here are the my product pricing. The decisions regarding product mix will depend on my factors like design, features, brand name, quality, variety, service, packaging and labeling. Promotional schemes. Promotional can be explained as a set of activities to communicate about the product, its services and brand value to the people, like coupons, discount, buy one get one free, offer and cashback, etc. Competitive brands in the market: Lifebuoy, Patanjali, Medimix, Lux, Peers. Competitor analysis. Lifebuoy. Lifebuoy is a brand of soap marketed by Unilever. Lifebuoy was originally and for much of a history a carbolic soap containing phenol. The soaps manufactured today under Lifebuoy brand do not contain phenol. There are many varieties of Lifebuoy. USP: Lifebuoy provides 100% better promotion from germs as compared to other ordinary soaps. Tagline: Healthy Yoga Hindustan. And here are the some pictures of Lifebuoy soap. Patanjali. Patanjali is an Indian organic brand. Its soap is very herbal. These soaps are made from herbs and other natural extracts. In line with India's ancient form of medicine, Ayurveda, which is bestowed with multiple health benefits. USP: Patanjali sells only Ayurveda based products in food, cosmetics and FMCG. Tagline: Prakriti ka Aashirwad. And here are the some pictures of Patanjali soap. Medimix. Medimix is an Indian brand of herbal Ayurvedic soap manufactured and marketed by Colloidal Private Limited, a Chennai-based company. This brand has various varieties. USP: Medimix is a most trusted Ayurvedic soap in India. It also provides handmade soaps. Tagline: धूल मिट्टी हो या दाग, Medimix कर दे उसको साफ. And here are the some pictures of Medimix soap. Now Lux. Lux is a global brand developed by Unilever. The range of products includes beauty soaps, shower gel, bath addition, etc. Lux was introduced in 1925. Lux soap is how headquartered in Singapore. USP: Lux stands for the promise of beauty and glamour as one of the India's most trusted personal care brands. Tagline: Not just soap, it's skin care. And here are the some pictures of Lux soap. Pears. Pears Transparent Soap is a brand of soap first produced and sold in 1807 by Andrew Pears at a factory just off Oxford Street in London, England. It was the world's first mass market translucent soap. USP: keep your skin soft and smiley with innocence. Tagline: pure and gentle. And here are the some pictures of Pears soaps. All soaps. Ordinary bar soap has a relatively high pH which can dry and strip your skin. Dove, however, has a neutral pH that's balanced with your skin to avoid any damage. Dove is a mild soap with fragrance, therefore it best for your lovely skin. And here are the some pictures of all soaps. Now here is the bibliography of Dove soap. Conclusion: Dove actively cares for your skin, adding skin natural nutrients to keep it feeling its healthy best. With its patented blend of the mild cleaners and 1/4 moisturizing cream, Dove's iconic beauty bar rinses cleaner than soap, leaving skin clean, soft and smooth. It is the dermatologist recommended brand in the US. And here are the some picture. In last page you have to write the presented by your name. Thanks.